Hi, everybody. Sorry I can't be with you this morning, but I told you that yesterday, so I hope that you remember. I just want to touch base with you and explain to you what your project is going to be for the day. You'll get started on it today, and then you'll be able to finish it up in class on Monday. If you don't finish it on Monday, then it becomes homework for you because we're going to watch these on Wednesday in class. So, what are we going to do? You're going to be making a public service announcement. A public service announcement is a message to the public to raise awareness and to possibly change public attitude on a particular issue. Okay, so your issue that you are making a public service announcement about is why is it important for kids to get enough physical activity? Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to make a video that promotes physical activity for kids your age and younger. All right, you want to get people excited about being active. Okay, what you don't want to do is you don't want to make people afraid. So I don't want to see anyone saying like, you should be physically active so you don't get fat, because that really isn't making someone excited about being active. It's kind of the opposite, and people are going to be afraid to not get fat. So we don't want to do that. We want to excite people about the possibilities of being active and how they can be active and what that looks like. Okay, so there are a couple things that I need for you to make sure you put into your video. All right, the first one is how much physical activity should a kid get? All right, so make sure somewhere in your video you're talking about play 60. That was something that we watched in the other video. You can say that or something else. What are the kinds of exercise that we talked about? We talked about anaerobic and anaerobic exercise. So if you want to say something about that and how much aerobic exercise you should get as opposed to how much anaerobic exercise you can get, that works too. And then you can possibly talk about the 5 elements of fitness that we talked about. And I took a picture of the board, and that's available for you if you didn't write it down in your notes. But pull your notes back out from Monday and Wednesday and look back over that stuff to see what you need to include in your video. You're going to work in a group of either 2 or 3 people, okay? You should probably create some type of a script so that you know what you're going to say before you start filming. When you're filming your video, it's completely fine if you want to use props. You can go different places in the building to start filming or to film. The gym sometimes is available. You'll just need to ask Mr. Thompson. The hallways, whatever. Just be respectful about people who are in other classes. I don't want you running through the building or acting crazy or being in places that you shouldn't be. And I believe Miss Matson is with you as a sub, so you need to let her know where you are, and you need to be in that spot. Don't go roaming around, okay? If you have any questions, I'll be back at school later in the afternoon so I can answer any of those for you. Like I said, you'll have Monday to finish these up, so if you don't get done, don't worry, but you shouldn't be wasting your time today in class either, okay? Have a fun time with this. I want to see some educational and really funny videos, so make sure that you bring it, all right? Have a good time. I'll see you soon. Bye.